Hello everybody, we're on deck 2, and this is a room tour of 2283. This is right across from the elevators, the front elevators. But that's why I chose the room, but easy to get on the elevators, but this is 2283 room tour. So, of course I got my card is up here in an envelope here. This is where you'll get your mail, if you got any mails or letters. And here's the door, I already opened it. We'll walk inside. So this is an ocean view cabin here on the Carnival Glory. On the back of the door is emergency instructions for the passengers. This is muster station C, which is on deck 4. We're on deck 2, and there we are on the that's the room, and that's where we're at, and there's instructions of life jackets and stuff like that. So it's on the back of every door. Right on the right side as you walk in the door, there are some closets. So first closet, there are some hangers in here, some shelf up here, and then there's some shelf down below. This is where I've kept my luggage for now. I'm still waiting on my big bag. Next to this is the life jacket closet. So there are life jackets up here. There are some more hangers and some more storage. Do you guys use the hangers and storage? Because I don't. I just keep my stuff in the suitcase. That's me though. And inside here they have more shelving. And it's like a rack to maybe hang stuff. You can probably take these out, I guess, maybe you can. Oh yeah, maybe you can. So. And then also you have a full-length mirror here. There, so hello everyone. Alright. Next to the closets is your little counter space. So there is a telephone, pen and paper they provide. Here's the envelope that had the cards in it. Some QR directory, health advisory, information to know. Here's another mirror if you don't have enough mirrors. Hello. Here's the lights on the side. Let's turn them on. The old lights, so take a little bit to warm up. And yeah, it's still going. Oh, that's all the light we get. I guess they don't fill up to the top part, but so we have that. Let's see. I think that's all there is. There is one plug-in, and it has the 220 volt as well, 110 volt. There are some drawers underneath. There is the hair dryer. And a bunch of shelves. What's this? Laundry bags. So that's a laundry bag. Just want to pay to do laundry. Or if you're platinum or whatever, then you get 2 laundry. There's a little bench with a wastebasket. Another drawer. What's in here? Security guide, port directory. Next to this is the cooler. Not a fridge, but a cooler. Don't get things. It takes a while to get things cold. Let's see. There we go. Open it up. A little cool. Yeah, there's a little cooler. And I just got into the room, so nothing's in the cooler. Next to the cooler, above the cooler are the glasses and the water you have to pay for. Now, I'm a gold member of this cruise, and I get a free bottle of water, and so I gotta pick that up sometime. A mini bar. Inside above here is the safe. So they do have a safe in a weird location. There's a safe, and it looks like you just use your card. You don't set a pin. That's interesting. Never seen one like that. Well, most times you see like a set up a pin or whatever, but this one is a card. Interesting. Alright, and so above the safe is the TV. Kind of a small TV. There's a remote control. And there's the TV. And let's see what's on the back, if there's any connections. There are some audio connections. There is an HDMI plug-in. So they do have one HDMI. So that's good. Alright, and then we have another mirror and a light. And down below here we have some more storage. It's a little cubby there. and there's a cutout for the cooler to help keep it cooler. Moving along over here, let's take a look on the outside. So right now we're in the port of New Orleans. So we haven't left the ship yet, but they're starting to unload all the luggage onto the ship, or load the luggage onto the ship. Yeah, so we're right here at the port of New Orleans. And so I have an ocean view thing, so you could probably jump up here and lay down in it, I guess, but we have a curtain though to block the porthole window. So there's the curtain, lovely curtain. Alright, next to this is the bed here. Between is the lamp. It's just one switch to turn the lamp on. No USB, so this has not been updated fully yet. And then there's a little storage underneath here. Alright. And so I have a bed. You can split it into have two single beds, or I have it set up as the king bed. I am the only one on this cruise, and so this whole bed is mine. Here is a luggage mat here, and the cruise director is on the speaker system right now. There's the luggage mat that you see. You may or may not want to touch it. I usually just hide it somewhere. I don't use it. Here is the light switch, turn the lights off here. No plugins. There's pillows, got plenty of pillows for me. There's another lamp and storage underneath. And in this room we have a couch. So we have a couch, we have a table, and we have a chair. And also the towels and another lamp light. And why do you ask there's a light in this corner? Well, this bed, or this couch, turns into a bed. So we can put more people in here. So if you lift this up, there's a mattress underneath. So you can have more people in this room than just 2 or 3, however many. Alright, there's some lovely artwork on the wall, little sailboats there. Palm trees? I'm not sure what the purple was. Or is it like a cruise ship maybe? No, I'm not sure. Above the bed there is some people dancing and some flowers and plants, and yeah, I don't know. Interesting artwork. Alright, moving along here. Here is your snooze and privacy please sign, or you could have, oh, same thing, snooze and privacy please. So put that on your door. Here is your breakfast in the room, where you can order that in the room. Alright, I'm moving along here. There is the thermostat, which is set at the coldest. Sometimes, depending on what ship you're on, it can get cold or not, so you can ask for a fan, and the steward can bring you a fan and help cool you down. Here's the light switch here. One of these will turn on the bathroom, so let's see. We're going to go into the bathroom, and hopefully this switch is the switch. Or not. I don't. Oh, there it goes. This takes a while. So that was the switch. Here is the bathroom. So you do have some counter space here. I got a sink. I have some soap. A couple glasses. There is a mirror for shaving. There's a plug-in for shaving. There's some shelves. There are special sanitary napkin disposal bags are available from the steward. There's another soap. There's Kleenex. There's a little wastebasket. There's a couple towels here. There is sanitary bags for tampons and other stuff. There's some more toilet paper. There's some more towels. I'm gonna have a guy with a pipe looking at me. This is Tom Vito Bailey with the pipe, corncob pipe. Yeah, so I guess I'll have the dude watching me do my business. Please do not throw any bulky objects into the toilet. It may damage the system, such as towels, napkins, diapers, etc. Please consider a towel on the rack. I'll use it again. Towel on the floor. Please exchange. And there is the lovely toilet. So it looks like I have some room in here. I'm a tall guy, so I need some leg room. Alright, and here is the little shower area. So we have the shower curtain. I prefer the glass enclosure, but shower curtain it is. Here is the shower head. It is a removable shower head, so that's good. So you can get all your 2,000 body parts washed. They do provide shower gel and shampoo. No conditioning though, so you have to have your own conditioner if you use conditioner or need it. And here is the switch for the shower head. So pretty standard Carnival ship shower. Here is the cord that you can hang up wet bathing suits on and stuff. So you would hang that up here and retract it when you're done. And then let's open up the curtain. Alright, and then there's your curtain. So, and of course this always gets wet here at the bottom. But that is the shower here in the bathroom. Alright, so that completes the room tour of the room that I'm in, which is 2283. So room 2283 here on the Carnival Glory. Needs a little bit of updating. It's got the old lights. As you can tell, it has the old lights that take a little bit to kick on, but once they get on, they're good. There is no switch up here to control how much air is coming out, unlike the Elation that has that on there. The Elation also has the USB plugins in the lamps, but this one, they do not. So I suggest if you go on an older ship that hasn't been updated to bring an extension cord. So you can be able to run an extension cord and, or at least a multi-outlet, so that way you can plug in, because you only have one outlet over here. That is your 110 outlet. So I bring a multi-plug-in. I also bring an extension cord, so I can have my phone in bed and charging my phone and charging my GoPro that I'm recording this on, and do all kinds of different things. So anyways, that completes the room tour of 2283, which is right across from the elevators, right here on the forward elevators. So recommend it. They don't have to do a whole lot of walking, and it's a good time. So I hope you guys enjoy the room tour. And I'm about ready to set up on my 7-day cruise here on the Carnival Glory. So 3 ports of call and some sea days. It's going to be a great time. So, and I'm doing it solo for the first time. So it's going to be interesting. I get to do what I want when I want. So thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you've gotten this far. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I appreciate it. I do go live on Saturdays. Saturday evenings, catch me live. I'm going to do a pop-up live today. You won't see this until later, but I'm going to do a pop-up live for the Sail Away, which happens at 3:30 p.m. this afternoon. Right now it is 1:49 p.m. So boarded a couple hours ago, and yeah, having fun so far. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the vlogs. All right, bye everyone.